Now, you can visit museums and you can see coin collections. And they often have old coins there, don't they? Often the denarius is there. Well, here's a denarius. And on one side, there is a picture of Caesar, the Emperor of Rome. And around the edge, you can see it around the edge here. It might not be too clear for you to read, but around the edge it says Pontifex Maximus, which means in Latin, high priest. Caesar believed he was divine. He was the intermediary between his people and God. Pontifex Maximus. Pontifex is the word priest, and it's translated to mean a bridge maker. A bridge maker. That's what the priesthood and the temple and the sacrifices were about. They're all about bridge making. And God's plan in having a covenant was to make a way in which he could live with you and me, with human beings. But there needs to be a bridge between us and him. A bridge where love can cross over and deal with justice. Pontifex means priest, the bridge maker. And that word is used by the author here in Hebrews chapter 8 and verse 6. Because we need a bridge built between God and us. So note what the writer says. Now Jesus, our high priest, has been given a ministry that is far superior to the old priesthood. For he is the one who mediates for us a far better covenant with God based on better promises. In the Old Covenant and the New Covenant, we have both these elements.